Hello YouTubers, this is me, Austin Vance here again. And what you're looking at here is a Harbor Breeze ceiling fan that, yes, I did spray paint the blades black and also the canopy black. And I call it a Harbor Breeze blackstar ceiling fan, which is the homemade fan I like. But it's got 5 blades, it's got 5 black round wood blades and reversible white. So yeah, let's see. Right. So yeah, let's just begin with a high speed real quick. And yes, the fan does go pretty fast a lot, because it's going to go at about approximately 195 RPM or 185 RPM. So yeah, that's high. Now we're going to go medium. That's my 2-bladed mainstay ceiling fan, which I did put 2 blades on it. And I did put the original blades back on. So yeah. Alright. Low. And off. So yeah, this is my Harbor Breeze homemade blackstar ceiling fan. So yeah, thank you for watching, and make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel and subscribe. So yeah, bye.